When approximating or estimating numbers with decimals, we have one simple rule to follow. If the remainder is 0.5 or more, we need to round up. If the remainder, or what's after the decimal, is less than 0.5, we need to round down. Let's walk through some examples. Here we have the number 7.4. Let's look at the remainder, or what's after the decimal. The remainder in this case is 4. So is 4 less than 5? Yes, it is. So this number should be rounded down to 7. As you might remember, 3/4 is the same thing as 0.75. So if I had 8 plus 0.75, I would get the number 8.75. Now let's look at the remainder. The remainder, or 75, is greater than 5. Therefore, we should round 8.75, or 8 3/4, to 9. Let's look at this example. So the rule is, as we remember, 0.5 or higher. In this case, 0.49 is actually still lower than 0.50. So therefore, we would round down. 2.49 rounded or estimated would be 2. In this case, we have 2.51. 2.51 is greater than 2.5, so we would round up to 3.